What is your name? What the what's my name is Joan. How can I have your money? Okay, just follow me. Okay, 500. Okay, ma'am, all you have to do is stand right here. Face it this way and extend your left arm just like this. Extend your left arm. And I will put your money between your fingers. Ready, ma'am? So now, do you know what will happen next? Any idea? Ma'am, let's calling our money bird, body. Body is also our muluk at kakatu. Scientific name is Kakatua molescentis. Body climbs over. Come on, bud. And he flies back. And then, body will donate the money. A round of applause for God. Ma'am, I have a question. Did you know that Manila Ocean Park is also a rescue center for birds? No? Well, now you know. Your money will go a long, long way, and we're very grateful. Thank you so much. You may pass your receipt and enjoy the rest of the show. Nice. How about 1,000 pesos this time? Wala na? Mom, are you okay? You sure? You look so sad. Mom, we're just kidding. It's not part of the show. Just stand back here. But to say something, before Buddy gives your money back, he wants to give you a kiss. Is that okay? Is it? Please stand up here. Look at the camera and offer your cheek. You know, all on your hand. Please open your palm. Look at the camera and smile. Now that you have met our colorful and intelligent parrots, we would like to show you on